Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Visual Studio Code is installed, updated, and you have a Microsoft or GitHub account ready. Once ready, open VS Code and locate the accounts icon at bottom left. Click it and choose Sign In to start activation. This initiates a secure OAuth flow. Make sure network access is allowed and pop-ups aren't blocked. You want the sign-in window to open promptly, so the editor can receive the activation token and link the license to your account. You now complete the sign-in flow. Select Microsoft or GitHub and follow the browser prompts. Once the external page opens, grant the requested permissions so VS Code can verify your identity and obtain an activation token. After approval, the browser will redirect or show a code. Copy it if prompted, then paste it back into the VS Code sign-in dialog. Make sure to click Confirm so VS Code can exchange the code for credentials and apply activation to your local editor profile. Finish by verifying activation. Open the Accounts menu or go to Help, right arrow about and confirm your account and license status. Once activated, restart VS Code so extensions and settings recognize the license state. If the automatic flow fails, try the manual token option from the sign-in dialog or import a license file supplied by your admin. Make sure your firewall allows the token exchange. Troubleshooting tip: if sign-in stalls, sign out. Clear cached credentials and retry the OAuth flow. This often resolves stale token issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.